Texas health officials today, for the first time since the nation's most restrictive abortion law took effect here, released figures showing what the impact that law has had. The new figures released today show that abortions declined by 60% in Texas after these new restrictions took effect compared to September. That was about 2,200 abortions in September, which compared to a month prior in August, there were more than 5,400. The real impact of these numbers that were released is it shows for the first time the extent of the impact that this law has had. For the last few months in court, in protests, we've heard abortion providers and clinics, describe, more anecdotally the impact of this law that they're seeing. The declines in traffic in their clinics, the fewer patients they're serving. Clinics out of state, even now continuing to report backlogs of patients from Texas. But this is really the first time that, statistically, we're able to compare the impact of this law in terms of how many abortions Texas is no longer performing because of the restrictions under this new law. Planned Parenthood released a statement. Planned Parenthood, called these numbers the very beginning of the devastation. They said under this new law, they and other clinics in the state have been fighting this restriction in court for the past 5 months. These numbers show that the law basically did what both sides said it was going to do, which is significantly curtail abortion in this state.